how to fit your new sensor bar into your header tank. First of all, we're going to place the new sensor bar into this clip here and this clip just here. Now you may already have your fixing clips installed, but if not, you will get them in the pack. Take your first fixing clip and place that into the 50mm Talon clip at the top of your header tank. Place your sensor bar through the first clip, like so, and your second clip, slide the sensor bar through it and put that to the bottom of the tank. You can then see that the clip goes in to your fixing point at the bottom. Your sensor bar is now installed. All we need to do now is take the end of the sensor bar for the Cat 5, place it through the hole, like so, and then your Cat 5 cable will plug in to the female.